Hey guys, what's up? So, 2 Instagram top best rate sheets 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first sheet is called Plus for Instagram, must have tweet for Instagram users. So there's all one tweet for Instagram, so you have all these features: see unsent direct messages, comment translation, focus mode, clean experience, media downloader, watch story or live without them knowing, story video editor, copy, comment, text, various confirmation, low data mode, show total likes and views, add limited accounts, full resolution profile picture, disable quick reactions, unlimited media replay, disable type in status, disable marked message as seen, and there's still a bunch of them. So if you guys want to read about each one, you can read below it. And yeah, pretty cool. And it does get updated pretty frequently, so it was just updated a couple days ago. And it supports this latest version of Instagram supports. This is called Nice Series Special Edition. And transform your sad and monochrome assistant to a colorful moment. Supports iOS 12, 13.7. This is called Web Share, Web Shade. Web Shade makes the websites dark. For the alternative to Illuminator, Web Share allows you to share images directly from Safari using the standard share sheet. This is called Rain Perfect Label. Perfect labels for the battery widget rains. This is called Online Notify. Tired of waiting for your friend to come on WhatsApp. This is a tweak. Trash your selected WhatsApp friends, keeps notifying about the online or offline status. This is called Force Spark, powered with iOS 14. Force status bars show or hide the specific apps. This is called Pick a High, tweak that seal with Snapchat Jailbreak tweak detection. This is called Big Sur bar, macOS Big Sur status bar. This is called Low Lock, turn on the low power mode once the device is locked. This is called Marker, a better and easy way to move the cursor and select text on iOS. This is called AllStore, supports iOS 12.2 or higher. And jailbroken version of AllStore with on-device sign features, so be careful not to resign the AllStore itself. So what this allows you to do is like a reprovision alternative. It allows you to sign apps so you can use them in a non-jailbroken state. So you guys do need to sign with the app ID and install all daemon for this to work from this repo right here, repo.dynastic.co. This is called Magma Evo, and redefine your control center. This is called HS13, and smooth Etsy HTML weather, date, time, music, battery, device, info, countdown widget. This is called Auto Answer XX, added iOS 14.s support. Auto answer phone, FaceTime, and any call kit calls. This is called Call Bar XX, supports iOS 12 to 14. So it gives you that little call bar, on top or on the bottom. So it gives you that little interface when you're in a call. Update for this was fits an iOS 14 speaker button issue not being selectable. Fits an iOS 14 status bar issue being white inside apps. Fits an iOS 14 notification center issue not appearing while in a call bar call. It's called Doc Ets Reborn. And an awesome tweet for the dock created with love. Modern dock, hide dock background. Get old classic dock for new devices for iPhone X and up. Customize dock color. Choose an image for the dock background. So you have up to 12 hours to test it and get your money back if you find a problem with it, which the developer can't fix. This is called Lyricify. The ultimate lyrics tweak for iOS. This is called IP26. Supports iOS 7 to 12.1.2. Low IP still alternative. This is called Call Magic. This series called Call Magic, Advanced Call Features. This series called iKey WI, iOS 11 to 14. So, the latest version of this, it can only add an extra row of keys. It also lets you flick custom keys like on an iPad or add extra row of keys. Support languages, supports portrait, compatible with iPhone 5S up to iPhone XS Max. So, pretty cool. This is called No Share Sheet PPL, people. Remove people in the share sheet view. Also known to be called CC Noise Control, a control center module to switch noise cancellation transparency. This is called Notification Tester, also Notification Timeout. Notification Timeout clears notifications for apps if they hit a certain age. And Notification Tester sends test notifications from settings. You can choose whether to send a normal notification or a lock screen notification. This is called Time Seconds, powered with iOS 11 to 14. Called K Hong P, one click to glow in items. This is called App Hider and makes apps disappear from the springboard. This is called Easy Dialer 14, update for iOS 14. So, I guess you have Easy Dialer. You'll have another dialer view to find contacts easily. Called iWall, supports iOS 11 to 14. This is called TW Block Bypass, view tweets of accounts that have been blocked, that have blocked you. So, pretty cool. As you can see, John blocked you, and then you can still go to it and see their profile. This is called Mishuda Forever. It's a universal audio visualizer for iOS. This is called Calm, a Beautiful First Sight. This is called Killets Pro, and one type to kill them all. It's called Australian Jailbreak Bypass. This would be for anyone living in Australia. Bypasses jailbreak detection on a few Australian apps. So it's first these 3 apps right here. Or these 2. This is called Silent Recorder. Recorder screen without the red indicator window. Allows you to record a screen silently by removing the red indicator in the status bar. This is called Yobon Evolution. Essential utilities everywhere. Supports iOS 13 to 14. So these features right here, you can access those utilities. Begone Sia, and what this suite does, it lets you control your privacy by giving you a control center toggle to enable disable your microphone, camera, and GPS. This is called Background App Refresher, flip switch tweak for iOS 7 background app refresh. Enjoy. It's called Kanban, and replaces the Today view with an app of your choice. So this is the more updated one, Kanban, now with iOS 14 support. Places the Today view with app of your choice. Originally by Nepeta. Rewriting for iOS 13. Rewriting for iOS 13 and 14 by Nicholas Dev. And last week is called Copy Pasta. It's a minimalist clipboard manager, so you can copy and you have all your copied, texts saved in one place, so you can, easily access them. So pretty cool. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.